Okay. No, if your company is selling the product, I mean, isn't it in your best interest economically to have them spray as much chemical as possible?
Absolutely not. We want the farmer to remain in business, to stay in business over the long term. No company in the agricultural industry today is for the short run. We want the farmer to continue to run to produce the best food that they can in the United States. We can outproduce the best quality of food, best quality of products than any other nation in the world, and we need to continue to do that.
There is a benefit to using agriculture chemicals. Without chemicals, globally, 40% of the produce today would not exist.
Well, the whole world's made up of chemicals. Water is a chemical. Air is a chemical. We manufacture more fertilizers, which help plants grow.
We cannot feed the world without fertilizer. And they are naturally occurring. Nitrogen's in the air and in the water. Phosphorus is fossil remains. Potassium is the salts in the earth. They're already out there. All we're doing is replacing them. But when we harvest our crops, we have to remember that with our crops goes these nutrients. Today's farmers use a lot of computer technology to determine what's in the soil, what's not in the soil.
I'm hearing nitrogen, fertilizers, and then environmentally friendly. I mean, do all those words go together?
Oh, certainly they do. Research has shown that nitrogen sources differ in their response in the soils, and it's our goal to develop those forms which are the least adverse impact to the environment.
I mean, U.S. farmers continue to poison the earth with all their chemicals that they put on there. I mean, why can't we just all have organic food and be happy?
Well, the U.S. does use a fair amount of crop protection and fertilizer products, and as a result, we have the largest, most bountiful, healthiest, safest food supply in the world.
Is the reason for the pollution in the Everglades and why we have such a problem there?
Well, that's not true. The issues facing the Everglades are very complex, but let me tell you about some of the farmers. Most of the farmers, they live on their land. They're the very first environmentalists. The last thing that they want to do is cause any damage to the land they live on.
How do I make them care, and how do I make them engaged, and how do I keep